Good morning. This is James here at Finish Masters on a project out here in Weston. We've done quite a bit of repairs to this home. Currently we're installing some Intex Hampton railings. A great way to add a touch of class to your property. All the beams are wrapped in PVC. Here we have the actual railing kit that we're installing. And everything comes out together real nicely. It's a real beautiful railing set. Everything all nice, plumb and level. We have Keith down here working away. If you'd like to find out some pricing options and some availability for what we can do for your property, feel free to reach out to us. You'll find us on our website or our Facebook, myfinishmasters.com. We give great rates, great prices, and we also give written contracts, guarantees, warranties, everything you need.